Enjoy breathtaking sunsets every night in your new condo. Beautiful spacious 2-bedroom 2-bath unit with gorgeous views of the Gulf of Mexico. Totally renovated kitchen and baths. Beautiful wood floors in living room and dining room, open floor plan for entertaining. Screened-in balcony with a great view. Lido Ambassador is a well-maintained building with amenities galore, fitness center with new equipment, shuffleboard, heated pool overlooking the Gulf of Mexico, sauna and rec room with full kitchen and billiards, new grill and picnic area. Conveniently located next door to the Lido Beach Resort with its famous tiki bar where you can enjoy your favorite cocktail. You can also walk to world-famous St. Armand's Circle featuring fabulous restaurants and shops. For more information